Good afternoon everyone. Here I am with exercise 8b of mathematical induction. Here in this exercise it is given that we have to prove by using principle of mathematical induction that the given terms or the given n plus 1 n plus 5 is a multiple of 6. So what I did as the basic step is we have to show it for 1. So first of all I have taken n equal to 1, that is 1 into 2 into 6. That means here we have used 1 into 2 into 6, that is surely a 12 is surely a multiple of 6. Then we have assumed it for k into k plus 1 k plus 5, as it is already given that it is a multiple of 6. Then for the next step what we have to do, we have to prove it that for k plus 1 also this will be valid. That means k plus 1, k plus 2 and k plus 6 will also be a multiple of 6. So here I have written this k plus 2 first, then k plus 1, and to this k plus 6 I have split and I have written in the form k plus 5 plus 1. Why I have written, you will notice it further. So first of all this k plus 1 was multiplied to k plus 5 and 1. So here it came. Then this k plus 2 multiplied inside, once with this and once with k plus 1. As here you can see it is almost same as this k plus 1 k plus 5. If I multiply by this k only, so this together it is a multiple of 6. Then when this 2 was multiplied in this, so it's 2 into k plus 1 k plus 5 and rest of the term is this one left. So from these two terms, as this one we already got that it's a multiple of 6, and from these two terms I have taken k plus 1 common outside. Inside it's 2k plus 10 plus k plus 2, that is 3k plus 12. From that 3 I have taken common outside, so it's k plus 1 k plus 4. And as it was already a multiple of 6, here also it is 3. What we need to make it a multiple of 6? We need 1, 2, and if any extra number is also there then it's also fine. So if you will take any even number, then even number if you will take, then this one together will be even. So 3 into any even number will be a multiple of 6, because for making it a multiple of 6 we only need 2. Okay, so if you will take any odd number, then odd number also, if you are taking, let you are taking 3, so 3 plus 1 it will be 4, so it will be a multiple of 6 also. Now I am doing next equation. As the next equation, question number 2, it is given that n cube plus n plus 1 whole cube plus n plus 2 whole cube is a multiple of 9. We have to prove it by using mathematical induction that it is a multiple of 9. So same, the basic term we will use for 1, it will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 27 plus 8 plus 1, 28 and 36, that is a multiple of 9. So this is the basic step which we have to use for 1. Then we can assume it for k, that means k cube plus k plus 1 cube plus k plus 2 cube, that is surely a multiple of 9, and we have to show for k plus 1, that means k plus 1 whole cube plus k plus 2 whole cube plus k plus 3 whole cube, we have to show that it is a multiple of 9. So what we will do, we will keep these two terms safe because it's already there. We don't need to split it. So we will change only this. So the formula for k plus 3 whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 a plus b, and it's k plus 1 whole cube, it's k plus 2 whole cube. What we are going to do, this k cube and these two terms we are going to take before. It's k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube plus k plus 2 whole cube. It's already a multiple of 9 that was given. And the next term, what is left? It's 27 plus it's 9k square plus 27k. It will be 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27k plus 9k square. If you want, then you can take 9 common out of this. It will be k square plus 3k plus 3. Here also we got 9, that means this term is also a multiple of 9. So here we have proved that for k plus 1 also, if we are going to take this, so k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 will be a multiple of 9. One more question I am explaining here. Question number 4, as it is given, 3 power 2n minus 1 is a multiple of 8. So step 1 you can do for 1, it will be 3 power 2, that means 9 minus 1, it will be 8. That is a multiple of 8. Step 2 is we have to take it for k, so it will be 3 power 2k minus 1. That is a multiple of 8. For what we have to show? We have to show it for power k plus 1. So 3 power 2k plus 1 minus 1, we have to show that it is a multiple of k. So what we will do, we can write it in the way 3 power 2k into 3 power 2. This 2 will be multiplied, it's minus 1. So 3 power 2k and it's 3 power 2 minus 1. To this minus 1 I am writing in a way that it's 3 power 2k, it's 3 power 2 minus 9 plus 8. I am writing it minus 9 plus 8. Then out of these terms, as it is 3 power 2 is also 9. I am taking 9 common outside and it's 3 power 2k minus 1 plus 8. As you know that it was already given that it is a multiple of 8. It was already given that it is a multiple of 8 and plus 8. This one also a multiple of 8. So it is proved that it's a multiple of 8. One more question I am doing, question number 5. Question number 5, it is 4 power n plus 15n minus 1 is a multiple of 9. So for 1 we will prove it will be 4, 15, 19 minus 1, 18, which is a multiple of 9. Then we will take it for k. 4 power k plus 15k minus 1 is a multiple of 9, and we have to show it for power k plus 1. That means 4 power k plus 1 plus 15 into k plus 1 minus 1. We have to show that yes, it is also divisible by 9. So what we will do? We will write it 4 power k and it's 4 plus 15k plus 15 minus 1. Minus 1. So it's 4 power k into 4 plus 60k minus 4 minus 45k plus 3 plus 15. So with doing this, what I have to do, I'll take 4 common from inside. It will be 4 power k plus 15k minus 1 minus 45k plus 18. As you know that this one already we know it's a multiple of 9. So 4 into multiple of 9, and here also we can take 9 common outside. So it will be 5k minus 2. So what I did, I am explaining again. It was 4 power k plus 1. So I have split it 4 power k into 4 plus 15k plus 15 minus 1. To this 15k I have written 60k minus 45. To this 15k I have written 60k minus 45k, and to this 15 as usual I have written. To this minus 1 I have written minus 4 plus 3. With that, what happened? From this 60k and this, from these 3 terms, when I took 4 outside, it became 4 power k plus 15k minus 1, which is already given that it is a multiple of 5. And from the rest of the terms, it became minus 45 plus 18. So I took minus 9 common outside. That means it is also a multiple of 9. So rest of the questions you can try yourself and let me know the doubts.